Did you know that most pirates never wanted to fight at all? When a ship spotted a black flag on the horizon, the choice was simple: surrender now, and everyone lives. That was the deal the Jolly Roger was offering. But the black flag was just the opening move. If a ship refused to surrender, the captain would raise a red flag. No mercy, no prisoners, no deals. That message was understood by every sailor on every ocean, and the symbols mattered too. Bartholomew Roberts flew a flag showing him standing on two human skulls. Blackbeard used a skeleton holding an hourglass, which meant your time was running out. These weren't just scary images, they were signatures. Sailors knew exactly which captain was coming and what that captain was capable of. The whole system worked because pirates needed it to work. A real fight could sink their own ship, kill their own crew, and destroy the very treasure they came for. So they built a language out of fear instead, and it worked almost every single time.